Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel today here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be on two different Toyota Tundras that we're going to be modifying. We're both going to be throwing on some king packages on here with some upper control arms, rear lift shackles, body mount chops, and some new wheels and 35-inch tires. On one of them, we're also doing an amp research electric sidestep as well, so keep on watching to see what we do to them. We're going to pull in this 2019 model year white Tundra right here. This one's getting that King's 2.5 remote reservoir coilover setup in the front that we're adjusting about to 3 inches of lift height. The rear's getting a lift with a 2-inch rear shackle. We're also going to be throwing on some wheels and tires, BMC like we said earlier. So let's get into this right now. We're going to put the vehicle up on the rack, remove the wheels, and take off the factory TPMS sensors to swap over to the new system. While the tire guys remove the TPMS sensors, we have our BMC artist jump right in and start the body mount chop. He's chopping it up right now, putting on that block off plate, forming it, cleaning it up, and then painting it to match the underbody of the vehicle, all in order to clear 35-inch tires. If you want to see a more detailed video of our BMC process, feel free to check our channel and look up BMC or body mount chop, or you can also click on one of the two links in the description below. We are very fortunate and humbled by all that travel hours and hours from out of state just to have our BMC tech perform the job. A little history for those that do not know him. He's a longtime friend of mine. I've known him for almost 20 years, ever since we went to middle school together. Goodness, this makes me sound old and feel very old. Anyway, enough of the nonsense. He started working here at 88 Rotors for about 6 years as a salesman before he pursued his career as a welder. After going to school and perfecting the skill, he worked for a company building armored trucks. They built a ton of vehicles for high-profile clients until one day I made him an offer to come back to 88 to be our in-house welder. We do very small fabrication work, such as making brackets and doing our BMCs, so his knowledge and experience has been overkill for what we do here. The reason that I shared this story with you guys is so that you guys can see and know the type of quality that we put into our BMCs. Not everyone can fathom cutting part of their vehicle just to clear a tire, especially one that is brand new right off of the dealer line. But this will hopefully reassure you that it is done by someone with experience. The process is 100% safe and does not affect the structural integrity of the vehicle. Best of all, the way we perform the chop, it usually comes out looking like factory, and most cannot even tell that it has been modified. Our very first BMC was done on our very own, well, my very own personal 2007 Tundra, the first one that came out back in 2006 when I took delivery of the vehicle. Every other shop and everyone in the world said that we could not fit 35s on a Tundra, and we did it. In addition to the king setup that we installed on here, we also installed a tubular uniball upper control arm by Icon Vehicle Dynamics. That alone will correct the alignment angles and maximize the performance of the front end suspension. Our tech is seen here installing an amp research electric sidestep on this Tundra as well. He's doing the wiring right now. Amp research electric sidesteps also come with LED lights that shine on the steps when you open the door. For the shoes and rubber on this one, we're going with some Field Vector wheels in an 18x9 with a 20 offset. We're also wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 18 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to call us anytime or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. Next up, we have a cement gray Tundra that's coming in. This one's also getting a king setup. As usual, the vehicle's going to go up on the rack, wheels come off, TPMSers go out, and get swapped over to the new wheels. Then, we install the suspension, do the body mount chop, and throw on the new wheels and tires as well. What's your favorite Tundra color? Cement gray is pretty nice, don't you think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. There's the factory suspension that we're ripping out, and here's the rear end suspension that we have already installed. Here's the front end suspension. Coilovers have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height, and the Icon tubular uniball upper control arms have been installed. We only have to mount up the reservoir next. And here we are, our tech is here jumping right in to chop it up and perform the body mount chop. For the shoes on this one, we're going with a set of Method MR309s. These are the grids in a titanium finish with some 35, 12.5, 18 needle trail grappler MT tires. One of my very own personal favorites. This project is also now almost complete. We're gonna bring it down to the ground, take it out for a quick test drive, and hand the keys back over to the customer. We hope that you guys have enjoyed this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our video and our channel, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Just a friendly reminder that we will be closed from now until January 14th. We'll be back at the shop January 15th if you guys want to call. We're going to be taking our annual company trip. We're also going to be making a video of our trip to Puerto Vallarta, so maybe you guys can get to know us a little bit better and see what we do outside of work to enjoy ourselves. Until next time for the next daily video, please take care guys and have an amazing one.